How to connect Brother DCP-T830DW printer to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure your printer is powered on and ready. Check that there are no error lights on the panel. Step 2. Go to Menu. On the printer control panel, press the menu button to open settings. Step 3. Select Network option. Use the arrow keys and go to Network, then press OK. Step 4. Choose WLAN. Inside Network Settings, select WLAN and press OK. Step 5. Setup Wizard. Now select Setup Wizard. The printer will start searching for available Wi-Fi networks. Step 6. Select your Wi-Fi network. From the list of networks, choose your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and press OK. Step 7. Enter Wi-Fi password. Use the keypad to enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, then press OK. Step 8. Confirm connection. The printer will try to connect. Wait a few seconds until you see a connected success message. Step 9. Print network configuration, optional. You can print a network report to confirm connection details like IP address. Step 10. Install printer on your device. Now go to your computer or mobile. Add printer via Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select your Brother printer from the list. Install drivers if required. Your Brother DCP-T830DW is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly. Thanks for watching.